Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So आज हम कुछ डिफरेंट करने वाले हैं. So I thought of doing some experiment with the makeup. Yeah. Experimenting with the makeup. And like you guys have to decide which one you guys prefer, a big eyes or a small eyes. Usually लोग सिर्फ काजल लगा के निकल जाते हैं. Usually लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा आई मेकअप करते हैं. And I'm one of them to be honest. So आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि how it makes an entire difference and which one you should go for. So without wasting any minute, let's get into the video. So I've seen a lot of videos on Instagram showing big eyes and small eyes differences through makeup. So let's decide whether makeup has that power. So I'm going to start with small eyes with this Empowered Huda Beauty palette. I love it. Period. So इसमें से excuse the हालत of this palette या मैं जितना भी इसको cover up करूँ ये खराब हो ही जाता है. So I'm going to pick this cream color in brown shade and apply it all over my lid. And it is just so easy to blend. I think I'll start blending it with my finger. Ooh, fingers actually work well and faster. Do you guys see? It was faster. I guess I should go a little more darker. Blending it with my finger. And now taking a puffy brush, I'm just going to dip into a dark brown shade and apply it on it so that it stays there without creasing. And with the nude shade over here, just blending it towards the eyebrow line. Do you see the difference? इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, इसमें हमने थोड़ा सा ब्राउन टोन दिया है. Now I'm going to use the sugar का काजल and just applying in my waterline. This is the most easiest eye makeup that I would say. Like people, like you guys don't even have to do the eyeshadow. Just kajal लगाओ निकल जाओ. It is that easy, and it makes a whole difference to your entire look. And just I'm applying on the waterline. Do you see how much of a difference it makes? And I like थोड़ा सा इसको extend करना and applying on the outer corner to give that little almond shape and stretching it out over here to make it look more snatched. That's our small eye look. We are yet to do a lot of things on this, but let's move on to this one. Now we'll do this eye, which is big eye look with the same palette by Huda Beauty Empowered palette. I love this. Like अगर luxury eyeshadow palette में जाना है जो कि आपका कम से कम 3-4 साल चले, invest in this. I know it is really expensive, but then this is worth it. It is so pigmented, कोई fallout नहीं होता है, and it just saves your entire look. Like brown, golds, black, like that is what one needs. Hana. I'm going to pick this nude shade and apply it all over my lid. So I have used this nude shade to create a base for the look. So for the crease, I'm going to use this Maybelline ka concealer. It is the most easiest way to create a crease. I'm just going to apply it like that. Do you see how much it makes a difference? And I'll just blend it. कुछ लोग सिर्फ डायरेक्ट शिमर से कर लेते हैं, but the neatness it comes with a concealer is mind blowing. You can use any concealer that you prefer. I love this one. Like I just love this one. It's popping. I like this beautiful palette. Let's just take a moment. Like look at this. Look at the freaking packaging. So I'm going to use this white beige shade. Like it is like cream shade. And I'll just tap it on my concealer to secure it. कट कर दिया है हमने अपना crease को. know you guys must be like, इस लड़की को हुआ क्या है? Why is she dropping so many bombs on YouTube? Cause girl, I need to create content and yeah, grow big, be big. Cause I know like it is the initial part which takes a lot of efforts, but then once you are there, it's just beautiful. And now from the same palette, I'm going to use this brown shade and just tap it on my outer corner. Alright, like that. And just blend it with my concealer. Just dipping it more. I'll just apply it very gently on my crease and blend it. Picking a more white and just blending both together seamlessly. You can add a shimmer shade over here, but I'm just going to keep it simple and white. Alright, I'm picking up the same white or cream shade, it is cream actually. I'm going to use it under my eyebrow and over to my brow bone. It makes so much of a difference, like to be honest, like I swear. Do you see how this is popping and this is little flat? So इस पे भी कर लेते हैं, तो इससे भी किया जाए, थोड़ा सा जताया जाए कि हाँ तुम lifted हो, snatched हो. Wherever. Did I say wherever? It's whatever, honey. So I'm going to pick brown and black, dip halka sa, and just to give that depth, I'm just placing it here, like जो ये crease है, like that, just to give that little darkness. I'm just blending it outwards and inwards. You can develop as much as you can, like कितना dark चाहिए आपको आपका outer corner, like it depends on you, your eye look, like however you want. I'm just going a little deeper, blending all of it together. And with the same brown, I'm just coming down. मैं अपने waterline पे apply नहीं कर रही हूँ, I'm applying नीचे. ठीक है, just taking it, just stretching this area towards my inner corner. थोड़ा difference तो दिख रहा होगा, है ना? Like little. Now we'll apply liner, and this is Malio का. I got this as a gift. So I'm just like tight lining it. जिसने भी eyeliner invent किया ना, like oh my god, like कौन है वो महान इंसान जिसने liner invent किया है? Cause this liner technique makes the entire difference to the eye look, like to be honest. And I won't say कि मेरा लाइनर हमेशा अच्छा लगता है and हमेशा एक लगता है. No, literally currently I am going through that phase जिसमें मेरा लाइनर इसमें एकदम अच्छे से स्नैच लंबा लगता है और इसमें एकदम ही छोटू लगता है. So I just don't know, like it's just a phase. Like see, I just top my hand till here. And वही लाइनर से I'm just going to apply it हल्का सा नीचे, come down, just to give little sharpness. Alright, and मैंने water line में नहीं लगाया है, मैंने थोड़ा सा नीचे लगाया है towards where हमने अपना eye shadow लगाया था. My laptop can't stop pinging. Now I'm going to pick this white green shade, and जैसे मैंने ये ऊपर लगाया है वैसे ही I'm just extending it नीचे. Alright, to give that pop to my eyes, ताकि मेरी आंखें खुल जाएं. What was that? ताकि मेरी आंखें खुल जाएं. And just blending it with the brown. I am loving it. I'll just refresh the white on my eyebrow bone. It just lifts up the entire look. cutie. And now the hero of this eye makeup is this Kryolan का white kajal. Like you can go with white. Like अगर आपको थोड़ा सा tone down करना है, you can really use little cream color, or like you can go with थोड़ा pinkish tone so that it makes your eye look more popular, so that it makes your eye pop out. So I'm going to apply this on my waterline. I just poked my eye. Ow. Alright, I'll be a little careful and not talk. Do you see the entire look lifts up? It gives you that आज गाना नहीं आ रहा मेरे कुछ भी. Like I'm so bad with names, songs, people. Next we're going to apply mascara. Finally the time has come that we use this. I am saving this so that ये खत्म ना हो जाए. I really like this. It's easy to remove, I guess so, but not easier than other Maybelline one. This is L'Oreal का mascara. They have newly launched, and yeah, now we'll apply on both of our eyes. Before that, stop. I have to start this new habit of curling my lashes. Like, to be honest, I have this, but I never use this. So today is the day and now is the time. कल करी सो आज करो. मैं ना आजकल अपनी आधी वर्ड्स तो खा ही जा रही हूँ. मतलब पता नहीं, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बस बोल रही हूँ और आधे ही वर्ड्स मैं खा जाती हूँ. ठीक है, सो कल करी सो आज करो सो अब. Now it's the time. So I'm going to. क्या मेरे लैशेस कुछ ज़्यादा ही वाइड हैं कि घुस ही नहीं रहे इसमें. And I'll be just careful to not pinch my eyes. And we are successful. Now I'll quickly apply this mascara. I don't know. I don't see any difference though. Let me just see. Oh yeah, I do see a difference. Yeah, definitely. You can see this eye is out loud, wide open. Well, ये अभी सो रहा है, इसको जगाते हैं. I'll quickly curl my lashes.
Take 2 of not pinching my eyes.
And yeah, we are successful. Applying my mascara. And I'm so happy about new mascara because they don't clump, and the ones they don't clump, I just love it. So ये वाला literally passes the test in that. So I use a tip to apply it on my सबसे end वाले lashes so that it elongates my eyes more. So I'm going on my second layer of mascara because I really like to thopo my mascara. It gives me that volume actually. And with the same mascara, I'm just applying on my lower lashes. I am confused now. Which one do I like? I usually go with this in my shoots and then this in real life. I just need to do one touch up. It's that I want to elongate my liner like that. I think, which one do you like? I do see the difference, but does it make any difference, or it's just an illusion? So here comes the big question. Which one do you think looks better, this one or this one? So for this one we'll keep number 1, and for this one we'll keep number 2. Alright, comment down below. Don't type anything apart from number 3. मतलब कर सकते हो, बट क्यों करना है ना. नंबर 1 नंबर 2 में से बता दो कि कौन सा पसंद आया है, एंड नहीं किया तो मैं आपको ब्लॉक कर दूंगी. Just kidding guys, just kidding. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला, but I would really appreciate you guys just tell me like कौन सा आपको पसंद आया, like which one do you guys prefer. Let's just not limit to our eyes. Let's just explore more and experiment more with the makeup, because makeup is a vast ocean. Like you can experiment crazy shit with makeup. So yeah, comment down below like should we do a series, which one do you guys think is better, 1, 2. So yeah, I'll make more videos on it. So yeah, comment ज़रूर करना, comment में को ज़रूर बताना कि should we do more videos like this. Alright, you guys can follow me on Instagram and I post there daily, like freaking daily, like amazing content. So yeah, follow me there. Yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, like, cause I don't mind if you knock my door, but yeah, ringing the bell is quite easier, don't you think? Alright, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!